Good morning, everyone. My name is Nolazi Chamin Kama. As it is stated underneath, I'll be elaborating briefly under the topic that says inclusive education. What is inclusive education? Inclusive education is defined as a learning environment that promotes the full personal, academic, and professional development of all learners, irrespective of race, class, gender, disability, sexual orientation, learning styles, and language. According to my own understanding, inclusive education is an education setting where students from different backgrounds and with different abilities learn together in an inclusive environment, and where they are encouraged to learn, participate, and contribute to all learning activities. There are aims and objectives of an inclusive education, which are as follows: to improve quality of education, development of brotherhood and sisterhood, understanding the disability rights agenda and its relationship to education, protection of rights, and also equal opportunity of education to all. There are factors that contribute to the implementation of an inclusive education in the classroom, which is diversity, as it is an umbrella term for the following. Religion. As a teacher, it is my responsibility to treat all learners in my classroom equally, regardless of what their religion are, in terms of how they dress or pray. This could be done by arranging a casual day in the school whereby all learners wear their religious attire. And also, as a teacher, I will form an activity which allows both the learner and the teacher to interact with each other, which is called a meet and greet. This activity will allow the learner and the teacher to get to know a little bit more about one another. It's either in an informal or in an interactive way, as this activity will allow them to share their similarities and differences, which will make them realize that everyone is unique and therefore become comfortable with one another. Another factor that can contribute to the implementation of an inclusive education is the social integration of learners in terms of their languages. As we know that language is the main factor that greatly contributes when implementing an inclusive education in the classroom, since the language of teaching and learning may not be the learner's first language, but it can be from their mother's tongue. So the best way to overcome this is as a teacher is to allow the learners to form groups according to their different language perspectives and make it a daily routine in our classroom that the learners greet each other according to their different languages. For example, good morning, which is a form of greeting in an English language, and also goeiemorgen, which is an Afrikaans language way of greeting. Another aspect of implementation of inclusive education in the classroom is equality, which is related to physical disability. As a teacher, it is my responsibility to make sure that there is enough space in the classroom to accommodate learners with wheelchairs so that they can be able to move around the class, and also ensure that there are ramps for those learners to move up and down the stairs, and also encourage independence in the classroom. And also, as a teacher, I will encourage support for the learners from the classmates. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you.